Uh, okay, can we recap the session, yesterday's session? What we have discussed yesterday?
Sir, we discussed about the function modes, and after those discussion, we designed one decision table based on Kunnar and this thing name of the customer, and then we tried to retrieve the country using
Okay, yes.
decision table.
Okay, okay, fine. Continue that. Today we will go more. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yesterday we have discussed about the decision table, how to determine the decision table, okay, and how to
Yes.
assign that value to another value, right? See
Yes.
how it will work. For example, I have created a rule here. I have created a
Okay,
rule
sir.
here. See, first statement is the this validation is nothing but if the kunnar is not initial, if the kunnar is not initial means if or the value is not initial, it will be not generated. Okay. See, if it is s, then it will go. Okay. If it is a else, then you can write your else statement here.
Okay.
Okay. You can write your else statement here. Whatever you require, your else statement. Okay. So
Yeah.
you can write. Okay, initialize the concept. Okay. Just what do you want to write here? You can create another rule here. You want to create another rule here. In the else statement, for example, that statement is not worked. What is the else statement? If you want the value is not coming, then you can initialize your country. Okay. Or yes, country, I'm initializing the value. This means if it is initial, then if it is
Yeah.
initial, this statement will fail and it will come to the your else statement. In the else statement, what I have written, initialize the value of that means I am clearing the just value.
Okay, sir. You are
I'm
clearing
clearing
the
that
value.
value. I'm clearing the value. Otherwise, you don't want to this. So if you clear, just I'm clearing the value. You want
Okay,
to
okay.
any other functionality, for example. So you can write your any expressions or any messages or any actions, anything you can do it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Mm-mm-mm.
So today I will explain and some more expressions like DB lookup and loop. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
DB lookup,
Sir,
right? What is a DB lookup?
no, sir, no idea about all those stuff.
Yeah. DB lookup means you can write your select query in the BRF plus application. You want to determine the data, some data from the backend table. So you can. Do you know any your GRC table? Can you let me know? I will write the
Yeah,
logic on that. Give me
GRAT,
any.
but here will you get those tables, sir? GRC is installed here.
I don't know. This is empty.
GRAC.
Can you tell me the table name?
Search with GRAC star.
GRS star.
GRAC, sir. AC air
GRS.
condition.
Yeah.
GRAC user Jira. Something is there, sir.
Yeah, there are a lot of
Mm,
table for maintenance address rule table, FC fields, header,
G, G,
alerts.
you can take GRAC act rule table, sir. It is rule table.
Which one?
First
Uh,
one.
This one.
no. Yeah, no problem.
Hmm.
GRAC act rule, ACT rule,
Act rule. Okay.
ACT rule.
First one.
No. Little bit down, sir. SOD action rule detail. Right side, it is written like that in short text. SOD. I will tell you the number, sir. Yeah, come little bit down, sir.
4, 5,
Yeah. Down.
7, 8. This one.
Yeah.
As the action rule. Okay, let's see any data in there in this. Yeah, you have no data.
Yeah.
Okay, the what is this RAS
Risk
ID?
ID. r-
List
Risk
ID.
ID is like if there are two conflicting transaction codes in your profile, then risk will be generated.
Okay. So
Like
there are a
for
lot of
example,
entries are
sir.
there. Yeah. Hmm.
So for example, just I want to give an idea like what is the basic funda
Hmm.
behind this.
Hmm.
Like if you are having a T code to create purchase order, and
Hmm.
you are also having that T code to approve the purchase order. So
Okay.
that is a risk.
Okay.
So that's how it is designed, sir.
Okay. Okay. In this table, everything is a key fields only.
No, I don't think so, sir. Okay.
Can I
Everything all.
know? Can I get if I give the user ID? What are the rules are there? Can I get that the table?
You. Yeah. One
Yes,
table is
yes.
the
Can you give me the table name?
GRAC user is one table, sir. GRAC user.
G
GRAC user.
user. Okay. User ID. Okay. Let's say let me pass this user ID. Just 20 and DG1. Huh?
It might not have been maintained, sir. There. This is GRC's thing, no?
A lot of entries are there. Okay. Can you take this? Just check this FFUs. Okay. Only one entry.
One user, one entry per connector, sir.
Okay. One user. I want to multiple.
Okay, then, sir. Hmm, GRAC user con you can use. Hmm,
Let's see. Connector 800.
Sir, you can try one more table, GRAC.
Hmm.
I'm typing in the chat, sir. You can paste that. 1 second. Where is the chat?
Okay.
There is no
GRS.
chat here, sir. GRAC
Charlie.
SOD
Ah.
FUNC
Hmm.
ACT. Try, sir, this one. Okay. GRSC SOD risk you try, sir.
One minute, 1 minute. The risk ID also unique.
Risk ID is unique, sir. Yeah. SOD fine.
Okay, I'm taking this way. Okay, the
Yeah, yeah.
each because what my intention is, for example, if you know your tables, right, it is easy to understand.
Yeah.
Okay, not an issue.
Sir, after you like discuss this DB lookup and loop, right?
Hmm.
I have a blog for one BRF plus, sir, for a GRC. It is known as HR trigger BRF plus.
Hmm.
They are using loops, sir. So I could not understand what is the concept. So if you have
I'll
time,
tell
we will
you.
discuss it.
I'll explain you the loop inside if now. Okay.
Okay, okay.
The DB lookup, I will explain the loop also. So, for example, I am sending the input. Based on your input, I will get the determine the details, and I will pass those information to loop. Okay.
Okay.
So let me create a new function. If you determine sales PAK details, determine PBAK details. Okay. What is the first step in the function? Can you tell me?
Sir, first step is the mode.
First step, you have to add your signature, right?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Today, what we are checking, so we will create based on user ID, how many sales orders has been created. Okay. Yes, for HA1. This is the user 4. For example, if you can take this username.
Yeah.
Okay. If you take this username, how many sales order has been created?
Okay.
How many entries are there? Okay. These entries will get it. We will get these entries.
Okay, sir.
User 4. Take the user 4. For user 4, this many entries. Okay. I
Sure,
am
sure.
passing the input as a username, ER name, and I will get the VPLN details. Okay.
Yeah.
So my input is add a new data object is a structured element.
The structure can hold data.
Structure cannot hold the data. Structure hold one record at a time.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, if you want to send the multiple records, what is the
Yeah.
structure and what is the table and what is I will explain you. Okay.
The table, sometimes table type also they are taking.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Now we will create the table type.
Okay.
IN here. I'm giving the user name.
Okay, sir.
Username. I'm giving the binding here.
Yeah.
Year name. Okay, I have created the username as an input. Activated. So in the result, I am creating today. I am creating a table. Okay,
Okay.
I am creating the table. I'm going directly to the table. I'm creating the table. AT table get VBAC. Determine the VBAK details. Okay.
Yeah.
See here the table line. I am giving creating a table based on your database table. Okay. I'm not
Okay.
creating the fields here. I am creating the structure from the DB table. Which DB table we are taking? VBAK.
VBAC.
Okay. VBAK table. Yes. When I'm taking the VBAK table, system should automatically takes that. Okay. This is a VBAK
Yeah.
table. System automatically creates a structure.
So can't we reduce the number of field columns
We
we
can,
want?
we can, we can. How many you required, you can remove that. Okay. So how it
Yeah.
will work? For example, e- I'll show you that also. Okay.
Yes.
This is my VBAK. You need to remove the binding first. While removing the binding, you just uncheck this clear structure component. Otherwise, what will happen? Entire records will be means all the fields will be go off. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So select all. Okay. How many fields you want? For example, I want VBELN, I want ERDAT, I want
Yeah.
ERZ, I want ERNAM. Okay. And
Yeah.
I can take the Punnar if you required.
Yeah.
And to land. Okay. Rest of the things I'm removing here.
Okay.
Okay. Structure name I'm changing here. It's a result structure or res underscore structure. Okay, now your structure is created automatically. Now you have table error is even created. Okay, this is your table line. Table type is nothing but a table type. Okay.
Yeah. So what you did now, just now, how you changed?
Okay. First, I created a data table here. I went
Yeah,
here, created database object. Okay. Once after
yeah,
automatically it's created, right? From here,
yeah.
shall I show you again?
No, no, sir. Structure name, how you change that thing?
Okay, structure name. You just go
Yeah.
to here and click on edit, go to the
O-
rename.
Okay, okay, okay.
Go to the
Mm-mm.
rename.
Understood, sir. No problem. Mm-mm.
Okay, the rename.
Yeah,
Once you rename here, you just rename it, acknowledge. You just rename it. Okay, then
yeah.
activate it.
Like every time we change this, we have to change the structure name, sir.
No, no, no. This is you have to know understanding purpose, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so I'm creating a rule set here.
yes.
RS. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm giving priority 10 for this.
Okay.
Not otherwise priority 1. Why it is not changing. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I am creating today. I am creating a local variable.
Okay,
You know what
sir.
is the local variable? The local
Yeah,
variable is
yesterday you
work
told it.
within yes, local variable. I'm creating a local variable here. I'm creating one more structure, one more table is here. Okay,
Okay.
table back. Go to here,
Vivek.
way back. I have given here way back. Okay,
Yeah.
created. Renaming here. Map underscore way back.
Yes.
Rename this. Activate it. Let it be structured. There is no problem. Okay.
Yeah.
My table has been created. I'm activating this table. What is the difference between table and structure? Can you tell me?
So structure will hold only one record. Table can hold many.
Yes, structure is nothing but a work area.
Yeah.
You know, right? And the structure is
Yeah.
act
Yeah.
as a
Yeah.
work area. It will hold one record at a time. The table is
Okay.
multiple records can hold multiple records can store at a time. Okay, this is nothing but
Mm.
an internal table. In the if you have
Yeah.
knowledge and
Yeah.
above, it's treated as internal table. The structure is
Okay, sir.
treated as a work area.
Understood, sir.
Okay, my rule set, my internal table has been created here. Now I am is inserting a rule here. I'm inserting a
Yes.
rule. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
writing one initial statement is here. If username is not initial, if
Correct.
username is not initial, okay, if username is not initial, then I am creating a database table here. Go to DB lookup. Okay,
Yeah.
DB lookup. db get feedback. You know, right? It's a reusable. If you reusable means you can reuse in other functions also, other applications also. There are ways. Okay, if you have not use, if you not click this, this be used in only this functionality. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know how select query will work?
Yeah, sir.
For example, how can you write a select query normally?
Select column name from table name.
Select, for example, I'm taking all the values. Select star from the VBAK table. Okay,
Yeah.
where year name equal to my input year name. Okay,
Correct.
is nothing but SDG user 01 into table. Okay, my internal table. My table underscore VBAK. This is a query. Normally we can write in the ABAP. Okay,
Yeah.
the same way I'm writing here. A little bit slower system.
Yeah. Sir, here result will go to which internal table? So we created two right just now.
I'll tell you. Internal
Okay.
table first, that is the first we create, it is a external. Where is the result? This is a
Acha.
local. And this is a
Mm,
local. We will pass these database details into this internal table.
okay, sir. Mm,
Okay.
mm, mm. Yeah.
Okay. My database. So look up, please combine. So data retrieval in select all entries or single entry. All entries from which table?
Feedback.
VBAK. VBAK table. What is the condition? With condition, include the condition where ER name equal to the condition. What is the entry we have given there?
Mm,
IN username. Okay.
yeah.
Into table. What is the table VBAK? Which one we have created? Local one.
Mm,
Table
yeah.
VBAK. Okay. Into table VBAK.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Activate it. Use a select query.
Mm,
Correct. Select star from the VBAK into corresponding fields of table TBL VBAK where ERNAM is equal to username.
yeah, sir.
Same query we have written, right? If you want to do,
Yeah.
you can use the yours simulation, how it will work. Okay, I'm taking the user 4. Let's see how many sales order has been created this user 4. See, your result came right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So now my DB lookup is completed.
Yeah.
Now my data came to my table VBAC. Now we got
Yes.
it down. How it will go back to the function result.
Yes. Sir.
Change tool. Activate. This open mass change tool will be useful for the to activate mass objects at a time.
Okay, sir.
Clicking the activate.
Yeah.
System should automatically activate everything. Okay. What happened? Error came. Okay, activated.
Yeah.
So what is my function result here? Table
Mm,
get VBAC. Okay.
yeah.
So I want to send these data to that function result. How
Correct,
can I
sir.
send? I need to write a loop. I'm writing here and I'm creating one more expression here. Process and exception. Create loop expression. Loop.
This is what, sir? The
Hmm.
same rule we were using.
The same rule. The same rule we have. This is called as a nested expression. We can call it as a nested expressions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is just I have created a loop. Normally,
Yeah.
how can you create a loop in the ABAP?
Mm,
I'll show you.
yeah.
Is there internet? Now you have the table, right? Loop
Yeah.
at tbl underscore vbak into my structure results underscore no sorry map underscore vbak end loop. What I will do here, I am passing my results VBAK equal to map VBAK. Results year name equal to map year name. Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Insert my, this is the results VBAK, right?
Mm-hmm.
Results VBAK of insert results VBAK into my TBL results VBAK. What will happen here? The first from the entry, there are 10 entries. You imagine this is the 10 entries are there in the TBL VBAK. 10 entries.
Right, sir.
TBL VBAK. How many iterations loop will be? How many
10
iterations?
loop, 10
10
entries.
iterations. Okay. Total 10 iterations. Okay. 10 times loop will be iterate. First
Mm.
entry, it will be TBL VBAK. Whatever the entry is there, it will come to here. It will come and here we are adding to inserting it to the result one. Okay. This is where we can write in the web. Okay. The same way, how we will write in BRF plus.
Sir, now what we are doing, as I understood,
Hmm.
first we use the DB lookup expression and then we fetch the data for that user ID and kept in an internal table, right, sir?
Correct. First, what we did, first, the step which I explained you here. First,
Yeah.
what we did, the step one, select query we have written in the DB lookup. The
Yeah.
select query we have written in the DB lookup. Now, after execution of DB lookup, I got the data into TBL VBAK. And I
For that
want
particular.
to redirect
Yeah.
these TBL data into result
Acha.
VBAK. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yes. So how that, sir, like how you did that in the rule, can you show once?
Okay, no
Like,
problem.
the one after the another, how you kept it?
Okay, go to the option,
Okay.
go to the options area, go to the process expression, go to the
Yeah. Okay,
create.
sir.
What do you want here? I want to create a loop.
Acha. Mm-hmm.
You can give
Then
the
you
loop
gave all
details
the
and all.
details.
I have
Mm-hmm.
given all the details. Okay, this is the way.
So after that first line is processed, the data will go into TVL underscore VBAK, right, sir?
Now we will write here. Okay, get V back. The result, my result is the TBL and get V back.
Correct, sir.
Here, repeat how many times? Do until while do for each entry. I'm
For
selecting
each.
the for each entry because I want to iterate the loop for all entries.
Yeah.
Okay, for each entry in T will way back. Okay,
Mm.
do you want to write any condition? No, I don't want. I don't have any condition. Now I am adding a rule here. Create a
Okay, sir.
rule. What I'm writing is here. If you want to, if you want any condition, especially here, you can write your condition. Otherwise,
Mhm.
not required. Okay,
So
go to
now what is happening, sir? Data from the earlier table. Okay.
now I will write here. Now what I'm doing here, where is my data currently?
TBL underscore VBAK, I think.
TBL underscore and VBAK. TBL underscore VBAK, right? The TBL
Yeah.
underscore VBAK data I want to pass into the TBL and get VBAK, correct?
Yeah.
So here what I'm doing, context. I'm passing the VBLN. Okay. VBLN, from where we can get the VBLN value? I'm getting from map underscore VBLN. This value I'm sending to here. Okay. Understood?
You're not clearly sure what is going on now.
Okay. See,
Like
let,
from loop,
let me
I understood
let
loop.
me delete.
I
Let me delete
understood.
this. Let me delete this operation.
So can you go to that loop? Like now, what is
No.
happening, sir?
Yes, in the loop, after creation of the loop,
Yeah.
this is the return value. My processing value is the return value or perform any action. I am giving the return value. Here, the result object, I am passing my internal table, which I want to store the data.
The one which we created earlier, sir. That one, right?
Yes, this is the initial one.
Yeah.
Remember, there is no data here. This is initial. Okay, what
Okay.
what I will do here before coming to this loop, I will initialize that internal table. I will initialize the table get feedback. Okay.
Yeah.
This is means I am clearing this data before coming to here. I am clearing this data. The fresh internal table. I am writing the data. Okay, you got it? How to initialize the value?
Yeah, sir.
Go to here. Go to the initialize the context value. Which field you want to initialize? You can write it. Just you can write like this. Okay.
Yeah. Now this table is
Okay.
empty, right, sir? Get
Now
VBAK.
this table is empty. Now I am initializing the my map back also.
What is map Vivek? The structure.
Structure I am initializing. Okay.
Okay. Map Vivek is the structure. Okay.
Yes. I have initialized the both. Now I
Okay.
went to the loop.
Yeah.
I went to the loop. What is happening here? I have written a logic here. I
Yeah.
have written a logic here. For each entry, loop mode for each entry of TBL VBAK.
Okay.
For each entry of TBL VBAK. The TBL VBAK contains the DB lookup data, VBAK data. Before this loop, we have written a DB lookup, correct?
Understood, sir. Yeah.
Before written this loop, we have written a loop DB lookup expression.
Yeah.
Okay, the DB lookup expression.
As
The DB lookup
yeah.
expression. In the DB lookup expression, I am filling this TB VBAK. In the loop, whatever the data is there, I am passing this data to the TB get VBAK as the result table of the function.
Yeah.
Okay, I have written a loop on this. For each entry means each and every entry loop will be iterate till the last entry.
Okay.
Okay, here the TBL VBAK is internal table and map VBAK is the structure.
Okay. So now from the sir from this internal table data is going to the structure or work
First it
area.
will go to the structure. First it will go to the structure. From the structure data we will pass into the other structure.
Uh, Sir,
Not,
one
not
like
clear?
no one
Not
question,
clear.
sir.
See here. See here what is happening. I have written a select query. My data filled in the TBL VBAK. I got the 10 entries. Okay. In the loop, I have written loop at TBL VBAK into VBAK. What is the VBAK? This is the internal table. This is the structure. Structure is nothing but your work area.
Yeah,
Map VBAK is your work area.
yeah. So my question is like
Hmm.
already we are now looping into the table and passing the data to the work area.
Hmm.
Now we have the data. Why we are not displaying it? Why again condition is required?
No, just for I want to show more details. Otherwise, directly I can give this data into the internal there.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. No,
Okay.
I have seen also that they always after the loop they use a rule, sir. I don't understand why they use it.
Hmm. After a
That's
loop, the rule means, and the rule, your business logic will be written in the rule. In the business
okay.
logic, in the written in the rule. Okay. Let go
Okay.
here.
Okay, sir. You do it,
What is the
then I
rule
will ask.
name? I am asking RL rule map PBL VBAC to RES VBAC. Okay, my rule name this is. Now what I am doing here, I am assigning value context. Okay, VBAC. This is a VBAC, the result VBAC VBLN. From where you have this value, the map VBAC. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, next value. What is my next value?
Yeah.
Year name.
Okay. Map underscore VBA के year name.
Year name. Yes, year name. Map year name. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, assign value context. Go to the context. Here more. Here that. Here that. Okay.
Yeah.
Here that. Your user.
Yes.
Okay, this is time. Okay. Here is that. The third one. Last one is a context.
Mm.
If you don't know the field name, directly go here Landex. Where is it? Your Landex. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now mapping is completed. Now
Yeah.
what do you want to do? I want to insert. Sorry. Here you select as the insert. Okay. Instead of
Yes.
change, you can select as the insert.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Now what happened? What you understand? Can you please let me know?
Sir, like DB lookup, we have the data for that particular UID, all the line items we have.
Hmm.
Now we want to pass that data to the initial table that we created, the
Hmm.
internal or table that we created.
Hmm.
For that, now we are using the loop statement. We are
Hmm.
looping into the DB lookup table.
Hmm.
By looping into the DB lookup table, for example, for a particular user ID, we are having 5 line items.
Hmm.
So loop will execute, first line item will go into the loop, and after the first line item goes into the loop, then this logic will execute the rule logic, and it will insert it into the TBL get VBAK table.
Hmm.
Am I correct, sir?
Yes.
So after
Okay.
each
These values.
iteration,
Yes. These
so
values will go to here. Go ahead. Go ahead.
after each iteration, this rule will execute, right, sir? Each
Each
first.
execution, this rule will be executed.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm initializing the my result way back. Okay. Because my data
Okay,
is
understood.
inside
Mm-hmm.
completed, then I'm clearing this value.
Understood.
Without,
Yeah.
if you are not clearing this value, what will happen? Sometime duplicate value will be copied here.
Correct, sir. Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. I use confusion, sir, because today only I understood, sir.
Hmm.
How does loop everything works? No, use confusion.
Understood?
Yeah, understood, sir.
Now you can activate this.
Yeah.
Your loop will be activated.
Yeah, sir.
Back, activate your rule. Okay.
Yeah.
Go back. Rule set is already activated. Check this function and activate this. Let me simulate.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, sir.
These are the BBLN entries.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, 24 entries matched. Okay,
Okay, sir.
go here,
Mm.
your table and check. User 4, right?
Yeah.
You can select here how many entries are there. If you miss anything,
No, sir.
24.
Correct.
Correct?
Mm. Yeah.
24. Correct?
Understood, sir.
So, for example, if you want to call this in your ABAP program, you can give
Yeah.
this to your ABAPer. He will send the data from the ABAP. You will receive this value from here, your input, your function will take this and will go to
Yeah.
here. And this is the your output. This is
Yeah,
your
sir.
output. Okay.
Yeah.
Understand?
Understood, sir.
Okay. You can write here the precondition. Yesterday I told you precondition, right?
Yeah.
So ION user
Right.
is not initial.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm restricting the rule set calling itself in the starting of the rule set. Okay. If you write
Yeah.
here, then no need to write here.
Okay, sir.
Because because why we need to the precondition the performance point of view. If you were input, you did not get any input, then what is the need to call this rule set? Correct?
Yeah. Correct, correct.
Okay. Now we'll simulate again.
Yes.
Error.
Yeah.
Correct, I have not given anything.
Mm-hmm. You
Understood?
can give some message, sir, that you have not filled any data
We
like that.
can, we can. That error message we need to send as a return value to the user. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that is the coming in 100. Understood, right? How to write the DB lookup and how to write the
Understood.
loop. Tomorrow
Understood.
we will check other loop actions,
Okay, sir.
other loop actions. Okay, other loop
Okay.
loop modes. Repeat times, do until. I think you don't use this all. Only you can use the for each entry mostly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do until is a different case. I will explain tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Now are you clear, right? You how to write the DB lookup and how to write the loop.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Rajesh?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Are you following up?
Yeah.
You understood, right?
Yeah, little bit
Yes.
confused, and I will listen the previous classes, and I will ask if any queries.
Okay. If you want to continue the classes, please let me know. I will take the another session for you. Okay.
Yeah, basically, I want to continue this.
You want to continue?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.